battered and torn, I can see the lights. Tattered and worn, I must kneel to fight. A friend of mine, can't you spare? I know sometimes it gets cold in there when my legs no longer carry, and the warm wind chills my bones. I will reach for Mother Mary, and I shall not walk alone. Hope is alive when we're apart, and only tears speak from my heart and break the chains that hold us down, and we shall be forever bound. When I'm tired and weary and a long, long way from home, I will reach for the Mary, and I shall not walk alone. Beauty nights we left behind, and how shall we tomorrow find and set aside a waiting sand?